Hello YouTube, you're welcome to Dark Code of Technologies. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button by actually clicking on the red notification bell right below, and also give it a thumbs up if this video actually helped you. And don't also forget to comment so we can improve on our ways or our method of teaching. So today you're welcome to my Photoshop PS tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you a very popular concept, well known, and that is the blur effect. That is to blur a background of any image or anything, to blur anything. So we're just going to go straight into this, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned. So right here we have two images that we're going to be working on, and it's a very popular guy on a Superman. So to go straight to our blurring effect, we're gonna go to filter, and right here nothing is activated. Why? Because this our selected layer isn't unlocked. So we're gonna unlock this, and we actually want to blur our background and not the entire image. So let's try this first. So if I should go to my filter and I go to blur and I take motion blur, so if I should increase this, you're gonna see that the entire image is being blurred. The entire image is being blurred. So what can be done in order for us to blur just the background? So we're gonna cancel this and go straight to our course. So we first of all are supposed to duplicate this layer. So we're gonna right click on this, and right here you have duplicate layer, and we're going to name this as subject, and we're going to validate. So on this subject, the first thing we want to ensure is that we have to separate this background from this main subject. So we go to our quick selection tool on our toolbar, and we select this quick selection tool, and we're just going to drag right here. So we're just going to do a quick selection. So today we are not into doing background stuff, so we're going to do a quick selection. Okay, so we're going to click on select and mask. So we will click on select again. Okay, so there are several ways of moving the background from the subject. So you can go to my video on background, my channel. So what we'll do here is that we're going to adjust the radius to about 5, and then we'll see my reduce, and we're going to increase the smoothness to about 10 or 9, whatever suits you. So we're going to click on OK right here. So our image has been selected. On this subject, we're going to go to our layer, and then we're going to add a layer. So we click this. So if you are vigilant, you will see that on our right side of the screen a subject mask has been added. So right here we are going to ensure that this newly created layer is selected, or the mask layer. So and right click on this, and we are going to convert to a smart object. So there are basically two ways you can convert. So you can either right click here, or you go to this filter and you go to convert to smart object. Perfect. So here we go. We're going to go to our toolbar and select the move tool. Okay, so we are good to go. So this background right here, so for those of you, this is locked, so you make sure you click on this lock to unlock. And we're going to go still to our filter, and right here we go to blur and Gaussian blur. So right here you're going to click on preview in order for you to see whatever is happening here, or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to click on preview, and you can increase this radius to whatever pixel you want. So I'm going to let it be at around 2.2. Yes, so we just regulate it to your taste, and we're going to click on OK. So I think that is perfect for this video. It has been done. So let's move to our second image. So we are going to redo the process. So we're going to increase the size of this image, and firstly, as I said, make sure this is unlocked. You right click on the image, you duplicate, and we're going to set this to subject, and click on OK. We're going to change this name. Click on this layer, and we change to background, and there we are. So with your cursor on this subject, you're going to quickly go to your selection tool. So make sure you choose this quick selection tool, and we're going to drag very quick. And right here we're going to hold the add button, and we will use this to shape. Okay, so with this selected, we are going to go to here, and to your add layer mask, you're going to click on this. A layer mask has been added, and to convert to a smart object, as I said, we have two ways. So either you right click on this, make sure this layer mask created should be the selected one, the thumbnail. So you right click on it, you go to convert to smart object, or you still go to filter and you go to convert to smart object. Yes. So from here now, we go to our background. Make sure the background is selected, the background layer is the selected one, and still you go to the filter and you go to blur, and on blur you go to Gaussian blur, and you click on this. As I said, this should be thick, so we're going to adjust this to whatever level we want to do it. So you can do this, and it's perfect to go. So we're going to keep this one at about 2.5, and superb, and we are good to go. So I think this will call an end to our class of today, and as I said, please don't forget to subscribe so you get our latest updates on the Photoshop tutorials, and also like this video if it has been of any help to you. Don't forget to comment so we know what you think about our teachings or about our channel. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Dakota Technologies, and you can go still check on my channel and get other cool videos on Photoshop. Thank you very much.